10 foods that are rich in vitamin B12. Ever heard of the word cobalamin? What about vitamin B12 then? Vitamin B12, or otherwise known as cobalamin, plays a significant role in the production of DNA and energy in our cells. This water-soluble vitamin also helps maintain normal brain function. As such, without it, a person can suffer from various conditions such as anemia, fatigue, mania, and depression. Interestingly, vitamin B12 is created by bacteria and can only be found naturally in animal products. On the flip side, synthetic forms are also available and added to many foods like packaged cereals. If you want to go natural, all the better. And so, with that in mind, let's take a look at the top 10 foods that are rich in vitamin B12. Most of them are widely consumed, such as eggs and fish, which we will be discussing further next, so keep watching. Number 1. Clams. Clams are loaded with nutrients. This mollusk is a lean source of protein and rich in very high concentrations of cobalamin. Whole baby clams in particular are rich in iron. Oddly enough, even the broth of boiled clams is high in vitamin B12. Number 2. Animal liver and kidneys. Raise your hand if you're an organ meat lover. Rejoice because the liver and kidneys, specifically from lamb, are great sources of vitamin B12. Generally, lamb liver has a higher content of vitamin B12. Nevertheless, veal liver and beef kidneys are good enough. Number 3. Beef. Another excellent source of cobalamin is beef. If you want higher concentrations of vitamin B12, look for low-fat cuts of meat. Better yet, grill or roast them instead of frying to preserve the vitamin B12 content. Number 4. Sardines. Sardines are extremely nutritious as they pack virtually every single nutrient in good amounts. Aside from the generous amount of vitamin B12 found in sardines, these small, soft-boned fish are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon has one of the highest content of omega-3 fatty acids. But apart from this, it's also filled with B vitamins. In other words, you're getting the best of both worlds with salmon. Number 6. Trout. Another fish we have on our list is trout, which is one of the healthiest types of fish. This freshwater species has an amazing amount of healthy fats, protein, and of course vitamin B12. Number 7. Tuna. Tuna is a commonly consumed fish. Not just because it's widely available, but also because of its wonderful content of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and proteins. It has high concentrations of cobalamin, especially the dark mussels. Number 8. Eggs. Eggs are known for packing complete protein and B vitamins, especially B2 and B12. Based on research, egg yolks contain higher levels of vitamin B12 than egg whites. Moreover, vitamin B12 in egg yolks is easier to absorb. Number 9. Milk and dairy products. Milk and dairy products such as cheese and yogurt are also prime examples of vitamin B12-rich foods. Interestingly, studies have revealed the body absorbs vitamin B12 in milk and dairy products better than in beef, eggs, or fish. Number 10. Fortified cereal. If you're a vegan, then you'd best go with fortified cereal. But while not considered a healthy food, it has a good source of B vitamins, especially B12. Fortified cereal undergoes the fortification process, which adds nutrients that are not originally in the food. Which among those foods are your favorite? Share your answers with us below.